Kirtana S. Nair. I am studying in Kerala, Kozhikode district, Valsheri Girls, and she is Hira.
I am studying GGHS Valsheri in Kerala, Kozhikode.
Now we are showing some experiments related to the behaviors of light. The name of our project is Light Energy for Data Transfer. So when light falls on a smooth and plain surface, it bounces back. This is called the reflection of light. Reflection undergoes according to two laws. These laws are commonly called the laws of reflection. The first law states that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Here, these same colored lines are of the same angle, and the light is going through this red line. And it is coming through the same color. From this we can understand that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. And if we are doing this experiment...
Show me again.
Sir.
So what we understand from this?
The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. And if we are doing this experiment in another color, it will reflect accordingly. The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal are always on a plane. This is a plane, so we can see all these three things in this plane. And I am going to change this plane into two. Here this is a plane and this is the other plane. And I am doing this experiment once more. Here we got the incident ray and the normal is also here. But the reflected ray is not coming. I am going to make a plane to get the reflected ray. So, from this we can understand that the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal are always on a plane. So light travels through a medium in a straight line, but when medium changes, reflection takes place. Here, there are two mediums, one is air, one is water, and the light is coming from denser medium to rarer medium. So, the refracted ray is getting away from the normal. It is bending from here, sir. And I am changing the order, sir. It is from rarer medium to denser medium. It is bending towards the normal. And I would like to say, sir, that if the density of the mediums have difference, there is only a refraction takes place. Here I have two beakers and there is test tubes in it. But one is visible and the other is invisible. Is it, sir? Its reason is that here we have taken water and here it is glycerin.
What is this?
Glycerin. And the density of water and the density of glass have difference. So here the light will refract. And here the density of the glycerin and the density of glass is almost same. So here refraction will not happen. And we cannot see the thing inside. So here, when the light comes from denser medium to rarer medium in a particular angle, the refracted ray will go in the surface of the medium. The angle of the incidence in this term is called the critical angle. If the angle of the incidence is more than critical angle, the light ray will come inside the same medium. That is called the total internal reflection, in Malayalam Purna Andhra Pradibhadana. And here we can see that, sir. Here we are showing two improvised situations of total internal reflection. Here we have a black ball and I am going to dip it in the water. What is its color, sir? Sir, here we have used lamp black. Lamp black means the carbon from the flame. And when I am dipping it in the water, the addition force between the lamp black and water is very less and an air jacket will form between the water and the black. And the light rays coming from outside get in the water and it will try to get in the air core, but it cannot. It will reflect. Means total internal reflection will these rays and we felt that this blackboard is in white. Now we are going to show the principle of optical fibers using a water jet.
Weekends. Claps, right?
It's because I am pointing this light to this point and the light will refract, means not reflect, and means total interreflection will happen to this rays at many times and it will go like this and it will come to my hands. In our daily life we can see total interreflection and refraction in so many places. One is rainbow and mirage and optical fibers. Optical fibers are commonly used for communication and data transfer. So this light is light energy for data transfer.
What is your ambition?